the map, and 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 the map. I found the treasure.
Hello friends,
Hello friends,
welcome to our channel.
Chikubuku Arts and Crafts.
Today we are going to make a treasure map and a spyglass. Who uses map?
Dora.
Dora the explorer. Oh, that's why you dressed up like a Dora?
Yeah, and this is my friend Boots.
Oh wow, with a backpack. And do you know who uses spyglass?
What is spyglass?
Spyglass helps us to view things in the very far place.
And who uses spyglass?
Pirates use them
What?
to view ships in the very far.
Boots is ready to get started.
Okay, let's get started. So let's see what are the materials that we need for today's project.
Scissors, glue, paper,
Colored paper,
few markers, few color pencils, a paper cup.
that's all. We are using a brown construction paper to make a map because it gives us an ancient look, an old map look. On the left side top corner, let's draw a circle for the compass. Draw a plus sign within the circle and draw an arrow mark at all the four edges. And let's put N for the north, S for the south, E for the east, and W for the west. Who lives in the North Pole?
Santa Claus.
Yeah, that's correct. And who lives in the South Pole?
Penguin.
Yeah. So what are the obstacles shall we draw in our map?
Mountains.
Okay.
Ship.
Let's draw some mountains. So what next can we draw?
Ship.
You mean the ocean?
Yes. And
Okay.
the ship on the ocean.
Okay, let's draw some ocean. You can draw some random shapes.
A boat.
Do you want to draw a ship?
Yep.
What next? Again, you can draw some random shapes for the
Forest.
outline.
Froggy ground.
And let's draw some.
Trees. Is it coconut tree?
Yeah, like a palm tree. What map is this?
Treasure map.
So,
We're gonna go to
to
treasure.
find the treasure.
Yeah.
So let's draw the treasure box. So what else can we draw?
The danger zone.
The danger zone. Do you want to add Dora here?
Yes. And boots.
Can we add a map in her hand?
Yeah.
Here we go. She's holding a map and looking for the path.
She gotta go this way, not that way.
This way. So let's put some path. So it's a coloring time. Do you want to color?
Yeah.
Cut the edges uneven. Let's add some borders in the black.
Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. And the swiper will go away.
So if we say swiper, no swiping, it goes away?
Yeah.
What does swiper do?
It takes all the map, our backpack, the photo frame, everything.
Okay.
Clock.
Okay. Let's roll the map and tie it with a string. So it's very handy. Okay, our map is ready now.
How about our spyglass?
We'll do that next. Take the cup and cut the bottom of the cup. Now we have to cut this color paper of the height little more than the cup, and this side we need to cut based on this. It has to cover the circumference because we are going to make a roll out of this paper. One easy way to measure the circumference of the cup is to use the string and go around the cup. So this is the circumference. So we need little more than the circumference so that we can roll and stick. You can add some patterns like this and roll this into a cylinder. Okay, if you have just the white cup at home, you can still use them, and maybe you can add some patterns to look more colorful.
And whatever you like.
Yes, that's good. Do you want to sing the map song to the friends?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. 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 I'm the map.
So our spyglass and our map is ready to go. Do you want to go explore?
Yeah.
Let's go explore.
Come on.
Dora is ready for the treasure hunt. What are those?
I found the treasure. Finally, using my map and my spyglass, I found the treasure box.
You too make your own map and the spyglass at home and find your
On treasure box.
If you like our videos,
Please like, share and subscribe for more art videos.
hope you liked today's video. We'll see you in another artwork in the next video. Until then, bye.
Bye.